how to book your NBT test. First, head on over to nbt.ac.za. On the right-hand side of the screen, navigate to the Quick Links section of the page. Before you continue to book your test, please make sure that you know which test date you want to write on. You can do that by viewing test dates within the same block. For now, I'm going to assume that you've chosen your test date, so we're going to click Book a Test. Remember before you start this test booking form that you will need your official ID book, a unique email address, a city and a site where you want to write, NBT requirements from the institutions that you plan to apply to, a date that you want to write on, as well as a pen and paper or a device where you can record your username and EasyPay number. To get started, click the Book a Test button on the bottom left-hand corner of the screen. On this page, you'll fill in your personal details, so let's do that now. Once you get to the password section, please enter a secure password and make sure to note down the password that you've used at this stage. This is going to come in handy down the line. Once you're comfortable with the information that you've put in this section, please click Continue to move on to the next section of the form. In this next section of the form, we are going to be filling in our contact information. Let's fill in this contact information now. Now that we've filled in the contact information, we'll need to click Continue. This will take us to the next section of the form where we will fill in our test and venue selection information. If you are writing the NBT, everyone is required to write the AQL test. However, the maths test is optional and depends on your university requirements. If you'd like to write the maths test, this is where you will click to select that test option, in addition to the AQL test which has been pre-selected for you. Once you've filled in the region where you want to write, you'll notice that an additional element of the form pops up. This allows you to select a venue that you'd like to write in. Remember to take note of the date of the test when selecting your venue. If you need to write on a specific weekend, and that date is no longer available at your first choice venue, you will likely need to select an alternative choice. This alternative choice may make your ideal date available again. Once you've filled in all the relevant information on this page, please click Continue. Here, the NBT survey is looking to collect some demographic and some alternative information about you. Please fill this in at this stage. Once you've completed the survey, you can click Done. By clicking Done, you'll notice that you haven't been sent to the final page of the NBT booking process. You'll need to scroll down a little bit and click the Continue button on the bottom left-hand corner of the page. This brings us to the end of the video. Now that you've booked your NBT test, remember that you can always prepare for your NBTs and book through Advantage Learn, the #1 NBT preparation provider in Africa. Happy learning.